How to reduce lag in Sausage Man. Are you experiencing lag while playing Sausage Man? Lags can be caused by graphic settings, a slow internet connection, or limited device resources. Here are several ways to improve your game's performance. First, open the Sausage Man app and make sure that you're inside the main lobby. After you're in the lobby, go ahead and tap on the menu icon at the top right corner from the lobby page and click on Settings. Inside the Settings tab, go ahead and select Graphics from the left. Inside Graphics, choose the Battle Graphic option and select the Smooth or the Balanced option. After you choose Smooth or Balanced, it will give you better performance. Now where it says Frame Rate, lower the frame rate and keep it to medium or low if your device struggles to run the game smoothly. And the next thing you want to do is to close off any unnecessary apps running in the background to free up your device's memory. Always make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet while playing the game. Make sure that you are also using the latest version of Sausage Man by updating it from your device's App Store or Play Store. So after you make sure of that, you'll be able to reduce the lag issue in Sausage Man. If nothing else works, you can restart your device before playing if the lag continues. So that was how you can reduce the lag in Sausage Man application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.